Welcome to CrappySound.com. Today we have a stick hitting the couch. And now we have me strangling something wet. I can't really name it. And you can't hear it. Great. And this is a ripoff of Anos. I only had two things. This video is going terrible. The next video will be better, and it will have Fortnite. I'm sorry for this terrible video. Dislike it, please. I feel bad. I don't even know why I'm uploading it. Oh my gosh. I regret. Ooh. I do have more sounds. Never mind. Yeah, you like that sound? What about this? Yeah. What about this? Yeah, that's me making my mouth. Yeah. Yeah. What about this? This is just creepy. Everybody logged off the video. I mean, clicked up. I'm just gonna stop talking.